All right, hello there, Trojans. Welcome, welcome. Mr. Connerly here. And today I want to give you a very quick tutorial on Jamboard. So that way your Jamboard project can look as amazing and as beautiful and as wonderful as mine. So let's get started. So first you have to download Jamboard, which hopefully you've already done. Or if not, you will. And this is a Google product, so you can log into the Jamboard using your mccsc.net account, right? So it's the same username, just at mccsc.net, and the same password that you use for just about everything else. So here in the bottom right-hand corner, I'm going to press on that plus button right there. And so let me load my Jamboard. I'm going to turn it sideways. There we go. So first default function, right? I can draw like a little pen. I can make the artwork really abstract that I'm making right now, right? I can turn that into like, excuse me, make that thicker, thinner, right? Use a paintbrush. I can change the colors if I wanted to, right? Whatever serves your needs there. You do have some options. Now, I've obviously made a mess of my Jamboard, so one thing I can do, maybe, I can clear the frame if I need to. 100%. I can also use that, so if I have something I need to erase, right, I can just click on that. I can just erase just that as well, right? So very much like Notability in that sense. Now here's just like another very simple drawing tool as well. Kind of traces it around, kind of makes its own mess there, and I can erase it as well, or just clear the whole frame. Now another really cool thing we can do is we press this plus button, right? This group of options pops up. So a sticky note. I can have a sticky note and I can write whatever the heck I want on it. So when you're making your project, this is where your information could go, right? So you could write your so for background, right, I could write background on it. I can move it wherever I want, duplicate it, delete it, do whatever I need to do. Images, if I want to add pictures, right? Again, oops, sorry. This is a Google product. So as a result, I can Google right here in the app. So Battle of Trenton. Maybe, if it lets me. Come on. And now it's frozen. Okay, stand by. Try that again. Sorry about that. There we go. And see, now all these pictures kind of pop up. So if I wanted to, like, say, use that one, there it goes. It automatically puts it on the Jamboard for you. And accidentally. Now, if I want to, like, take a picture, I can use my camera right there. Or if I have pictures that's already in my photos there, I can upload that as well. So super user friendly in that sense. So, pardon me, I'm so sorry. Now, back to, so one thing I forgot to mention, I apologize for that, I thought it was somewhere else, about the Jamboard is I can actually write a text box. So I can press on this, like, capital A, lowercase a, right? And I can draw that, and it turns it into a little text box. Super cool. So I can write my title out like that, and if you're like me and you're like, my handwriting's awful, not to fret, because it kind of already writes it out for you. And of course, you got like really cool little stickers, right? So I can do that. Like if I had a picture of George Washington, I could do that and write something in there, right? Or a clock, or a laptop, right? You can be as creative as you can be here. So that's basically how Jamboard works, right? It's almost like you kind of got your own little whiteboard or your own little poster board that you can work with. If you have any questions, please let your teacher know. Other than that, have a wonderful rest of your day.